The other day we put up a poll for our friends. We said, hey, what is a reasonable price per person for dining out? Now, I really wondered what that thought process was because, nobody likes to spend money and, times are a little bit tough right now. So per person, Eric Hawks said 25. Steven says dive $10 to $12 per person, moderate 15 to 25, and classy 35 and up. I think that's a pretty good answer. Fine dining $100, any other 25, no more than 12 to 15, $20 with senior discount. I like that. Connie Cuss says 35 low, $50 high. Kathy Willis says 20 low, 40 high. So this goes on and on. So it really gave me an idea. And I remember we did a segment years ago, and we had a picture of a trip that we'd been on towards the coast. And a lot of comments were, oh, it must be nice to be able to eat lobster.
Right.
And when we're on the coast, we look for discount seafood or someplace that has seafood that is wholesale.
Like a market.
Yes. A seafood market. What they didn't realize is this huge lobster. We got a picture of it right here. We were fishing.
Right.
This monster lobster that was dinner. We didn't eat anything else. It was so big. And that was, I think it was a rock lobster.
Right.
$35.
For that whole lobster.
For both of us. So, what's that, 17?
Yeah, we shared that, and that was a lot of meat.
So for about $15, $16, $17 a piece, we're eating a huge lobster. So if you look and you find out where you can find this, we went today just on a search to see what we could find. And look what we found.
The tails.
2 tails. Now that in itself, those 2 tails, we could have a salad and be in pretty good shape. Those lobster tails we got in a local store, local chain, for about $13.
For both of them.
For both of them.
That's right.
So we looked when we were down there and we found Maine lobsters.
Yeah.
Maine lobsters have claws.
Lots of meat in those too.
They're the guys with the claws. Now when we're down south in the Keys during lobster season, you can go and take the rock lobsters. The rock lobsters do not have the big front claws like the Maine lobsters.
Which is good because they tried to get me with the claws.
They would. The tail of the Maine lobster, there's not half the meat that you would find in rock lobster.
But there's the claw.
The claws are good and the claws
they're
are
delicious,
sweet.
yes.
But my favorite is the rock lobster. We ate for $15 a piece. And it was enough lobster that we had gotten our fill.
Right, we're sick
We
of
didn't even
lobster.
want any more lobster.
That's pretty bad.
So many times the stigma involved with a lobster is if you go to a fancy restaurant and you get a steak.
Right.
And say, oh, your lobster, get a lobster added market price.
It's expensive.
And then your lobster comes in and it's $75
right, it's this
for a
big.
tail.
Yeah.
So just remember, when you're out and about, look around. If you're on the coast, look for a seafood place. Look for a wholesale place. Sometimes they'll let you in. That place let us in.
Right. That was
They don't
nice.
typically sell to the general public, but we knocked on doors.
Yeah.
And next thing you know, we're eating like kings for nothing. Now, how do you fix a lobster? Well, I'll tell you what we did. We took our lobsters, some crab boil, lemon, celery, and the celery leaves are good, some onion. You take this, put it in a pot, get that water boiling, and let that lobster go for about 12, 13 minutes on this, and that'll cook all the way through, and that will be lovely. I'm gonna turn it down just a hair, and that's gonna taste fantastic. We showed the myth of the expensive lobster. If you look, you can make dinner out of that. You could put that on a salad.
I know.
You could put it in pasta and have you something special. This was, I think it was $13
For both.
For both of us.
I'm gonna dip it in butter and have a bite, make sure it's good.
And think about a pasta dish you could do with that.
Now this is a feast for a king right here. I love it.